Breaking news. The 45th President of the United States says that global warming is a hoax. It is very cold outside today, so maybe the former president does have a point here.
Actually, although it may feel cold in some places, records are showing that the most recent winters are higher temperature than in the past. There were even speculations before the Sochi Winter Olympics that it would not be wintry enough to perform in. It is clear that even when we feel colder weather, that our planet is clearly heating up. Plus, there is solid evidence that the Arctic ice caps have been melting at a steady and concerning rate to prove the warming of our planet.
The Earth has been around for so long. Man, they even made an animated movie about it. The one with the big mammoths and the saber-toothed squirrel. Yeah, Ice Age. Obviously the Earth is just going through one of these cycles again. And all the ice needs to be melted somehow, right? Relax, I even did my research. Something like this exactly happened in the medieval times, called the medieval warming period. Can't believe you scientists get paid so much for such simple things when people like me could figure this out. You guys are also worried when it's just common sense that this is Mother Earth's gift.
Unfortunately, this isn't the case. As much as I love the movie Ice Age, I think you completely missed the point of that movie. The medieval warm period did happen, however, it only affected northwestern Europe, America, Iceland, and Greenland. What we're dealing with now is on a whole different scale. The warming is global, and all parts of the world are now being affected by it. Studies showed that in the past 2,000 years, the only time when the planet's temperature shifted in the same direction was in the most recent 150 years.
You propose to cut down on CO2? The same thing feeding plants that keep us humans alive every single day? This is ridiculous. You guys say how important plants are to the planet, but I don't believe you. Everybody should know that plants need CO2, yet you guys keep saying that we need to cut down on CO2. Clearly there's a contradiction here to prove you wrong.
Wait, don't get me wrong, plants do need carbon dioxide to live. Plants and forests remove and store away huge amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere each year. But the problem is, there's only so much carbon dioxide that they can absorb. Plus, this amount is getting less as more and more forests are cut down across the world. Let's be clear, CO2 itself does not cause the problem. It's part of the natural global ecosystem, but the problem is the quantity of the CO2 that's being produced by us humans. There hasn't been this level of CO2 in the atmosphere for around 800,000 years.
You know what? Actually, scientists disagree with climate change. If you scientists can't figure it out yourself, why should we? It looks to me that it's just a lie and a...
You got it all wrong, bro. Actually, by a large majority, climate scientists agree that the global average temperature today is much warmer than in pre-industrial times, and that human activity is the most significant factor. The U.S. Global Change and Research Program has published a series of scientific reports documenting the cause and impact of global climate change. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the National Science Foundation, the National Research Council, and the National Basketball Association. Wait, maybe not the last one, but all these science associations have all published reports and fact sheets stating that Earth is warming mainly due to the increase in human-produced heat-trapping gases. The American Association for the Advancement of Science states, based on the evidence, about 97% of climate change scientists agree that human-caused climate change is happening. So you may think, it seems so hopeless, so why bother? Although it definitely might seem like an uphill battle sometimes, we can all start to make change with the small things. When many people make small changes to their life to help the planet, major change happens on a larger scale of things. A good start may be to search up how you can help with climate change and go from there. Overall, I believe that us humans have the power to change what we have done to our planet, and that we will do just that.